In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Windows 10 version. This is a useful skill to have, especially when troubleshooting issues, or simply to ensure that your system is up to date. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by locating the Start button on your screen. This is typically found at the bottom left corner of your desktop, and it's crucial because it acts as your main gateway to all the applications and settings on your computer. Once you've found it, go ahead and click it. Next, direct your attention to the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. This icon allows you to access the control panel where you can adjust various settings on your device. Clicking on it will open a new window with several options. Now from the list of settings, find and click on System. This section is dedicated to everything related to your computer's core operations, and it's here that you'll be able to view essential details about your device. After clicking System, you'll want to scroll down the options available to you and locate About. This section gives you a summary of your device specifications, including information about your processor, memory, and most importantly, your operating system details. In the About section, take a moment to focus your attention on the Windows specifications. Here you can easily locate both the version number and the OS build number. These are vital pieces of information that tell you exactly which iteration of Windows 10 you are currently running. This can be particularly useful when you are considering updates or configuring software that requires a particular version. Alternatively, there's a quicker method to access this information. You can press the Windows key on your keyboard along with the R key. This combination will open up the Run dialog box. This is an efficient tool if you're comfortable using keyboard shortcuts and offers a more direct approach. In the Run dialog, type WinVer and then press Enter or click the OK button. This command is a shorthand way to bring up a specific window known as About Windows. Once you execute this, a dialog box will appear on your screen. In the About Windows dialog box, you'll be able to see both the version number and the build number of your Windows 10 operating system. This handy box provides you with the information right away without having to navigate through multiple menus. By following these steps, you should now have a clear understanding of how to check your Windows 10 version. Whether you're doing it through the system settings or using the run command, both methods are effective and straightforward, so feel free to choose whichever method fits your routine best. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for watching.